Look at this. Those concrete piers. We fought for those dudes. Months of planning, long days, sore backs, and look at this. So here's the thing nobody talks about when clearing overgrown land for your off-grid home build. The land fights back. And y'all, the land was fighting. And today we're going to take it back. Let's get into it. All right. So for the ones that's been following us for a while, you know exactly what we've been through to get those concrete piers in the ground. That was months of hard work, multiple trips, and a few setbacks. But you know your boy messes up a lot. But here's the reality nobody shows you on YouTube. Because once those piers are in, you still have the land itself to deal with. We're talking thick brush. We're talking grass that's been growing wild, roots, vines, all of it's packed in where the floor joists are gonna go. If you don't handle it right, you're setting yourself up for problems down the road. Moisture trapping, critters moving under your structure, and all kinds of fun stuff. So yeah, today we gotta get after it. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what we used and what worked and what absolutely did not work. Because it's gotta count, dudes. It's gotta count, right? Right. So the first thing we had to do is figure out exactly what we're dealing with here. Because removing overgrowth from a build site isn't the same. This stuff's been growing for a long time. We had two main problems. One, the grass. And I don't mean regular grass. I mean grass that comes up to your knees in places, with thick grounds and root systems that go deep. Number two, the brush. Now this is where it gets tricky. And you can't go in swinging a machete when you got concrete right here that you spent months on pouring. You just got to be smart about it. This right here, this is what keeps me up at night, guys. Moisture, bugs, roots, all of it sitting up right here. We just had to do something about it. All right, so here's how we actually attacked it. And I'm going to be real with you. This is one of those jobs that doesn't look dramatic on camera. It's not a cool pour or a big frame going up. It's just hard, sweaty, dirty, and this is why people don't go off grid kind of work. First, we worked out from the piers. We started at the base around each one and worked outwards. That way we're not dragging debris on what we already cleared. Think of it like peeling an onion, right? Layer by layer. For the grass, we got the weed eater. And for thicker brush like this, we got our reciprocating saw, or a sawzall. Boom. And for the roots, those are coming out by hand. Hey, real quick, if you want to follow this whole off the grid build from the beginning, hit that subscribe button. We're documenting everything. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Trust me, there's plenty of ugly. So let me tell you what did not work, because this is why we do this, right? This is the stuff that actually helps you. So I figured I could use the weed eater real close up to the base to knock all the near grass away from the base of the pier. But your boy planned it this way, and I knocked rocks and everything everywhere, ruining my weed eater. Awesome. Obviously, I planned it that way, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right, so here's what I would tell somebody that's just starting out. Give yourself more time. Double it. Whatever you're thinking, double it. Because the land, it doesn't really care about your timeline. And that's okay. Every step we do make gets us one step closer. But dudes, when it was done, man, I had to sit here and take it in for a minute. A few months ago, this was nothing but raw land and a dream. Now we got concrete piers in the ground and a cleared site that actually looks like something's about to happen here. Y'all see the footprint of our home, y'all? Like, that's where we're gonna be living. Our grandkids and our kids are gonna grow up here. It's not about the grass and the brush. It's about what comes after. First it was the clearing, and then it's going to be the floor joists and the beams, then the walls, and then the roof, and then eventually it'll be a home. And if you're out there trying to do something like this, whether it's clearing overgrown land for your build or starting from scratch on your own property, I want you to know, it ain't always pretty, it ain't always fast, but it is possible. That's what we got for today. And if you've been in the same situation, or you got tips on clearing around build sites that maybe I might have missed, comment down below. Let me know and help your kid out. If this was helpful, hit that like button. Helps more people find our channel. And we got a whole lot more build coming. So subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Marcus out.